Assalamu alaikum class. Let's start our work with the name of Allah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we are going to study chapter number 8, linear graph and their applications, exercise 8.1, question number 2, part 9 to 15. Question number 2, part 9 is 1 over 2 equals to x. Here in this question, the value of x is in the form of fraction. So it's better to convert it into decimal form, so it will be easier for you to plot the graph. 1 over 2 equals to 0.5, so the value of x is 0.5. Here the value of x is constant. You have to take maximum 3 values. So in x column, the first row is 0.5, second row is 0.5, and the third row is 0.5. For y column, take random values. First row is -2, second row is 4, and third row is 6. The ordered pairs will be 0.5 and -2. Second row ordered pair will be 0.5 and 4. Third row ordered pair will be 0.5 and 6. On the graph paper, draw two mutually perpendicular lines for x-axis and y-axis. Mark the origin. On origin, place the value of x and y equals to 0. Here now in the x column, the value is 0.5. So now you have to take the values of x-axis in decimal form. So here first point is 0, that is origin. Second point is 0.5, then 1, then 1.5. Here you can see in positive x-axis, the difference of the number is of 0.5. On negative x-axis, -0.5, -1 and -1.5. Now for y-axis, we will see the column of y. In y column, the maximum number is 6. So here you can see the numbers are 2, 4 and 6 are the multiples of each other. So the difference between these numbers are of 2. So on y-axis, the first point will be 2, second will be 4, and the third will be 6. So here on y-axis, the difference of the number is 2. For negative y-axis, -2, -4 and -6. For plotting the graph, we will see the ordered pairs. The first ordered pair is 0.5 and -2. 0.5 is the value of x and that is positive, and -2 is the value of y and that is negative. So 0.5 and -2 are intersecting on this point. So mention the ordered pair 0.5 and -2. Then 0.5 and 4 both are positive values. So 0.5 and 4 are intersecting on this point. So the ordered pair is 0.5 and 4. The third ordered pair is 0.5 and 6. 0.5 and 6 is intersecting on this point. Mention the ordered pair 0.5 and 6. Now after plotting these points, you have to join these lines. So this is the graph of x is equal to 0.5. Question number 2, part number 10. 3y equals to 5x. Here 3 is multiplying by y. When it will move to other sides, it will become y is equal to 5x over 3. So for that equation, here you are having a fraction form, so you have to take the value of x so that the denominator will be removed. So you have to take such value that will remove the denominator. Here like in x column, the value of first row is 3, second row is 6 and the third row is 9. Replacing these values into the equation y is equal to 5x over 3. So in the first row, the value of x is equal to 3. So replacing it in the equation, 5x over 3, 5 into 3 over 3, 5 into 3 is 15, 15 over 3 is equal to 5. So the ordered pair is 3 and 5. And next, the value of x is 6. Replacing it in the equation, it will become 5 into 6 over 3. 5 into 6 is 30 and 30 divided by 3 is 10. So the ordered pair is 6 and 10. In third row, the value is 9. So replacing it in y is equal to 5x over 3. 5 into 9 is 45. 45 divided by 3 is 15. So the ordered pair is 9 and 15, as the value of x is 9 and the value of y is 15. So here the ordered pairs are 3 and 5, 6 and 10, 9 and 15. Take a graph paper, draw two mutually perpendicular lines, mark origin. Now in x column, the values are 3, 6 and 9 and maximum number is 9. 3, 6 and 9 are the multiples of each other and there is a difference of 3 numbers. So for this, take a point 3, 6 and 9. and here you can see in x-axis the difference of the number is 3. Then you have to take negative x-axis value -3, -6 and -9. Now for y column you have to see the values 5, 10 and 15 is there. So 5, 10 and 15 are the multiples of 5. Maximum number is 15 and there is a difference of 5 number in these points. So 5, 10 and 15 is having a difference of 5 numbers. So we will take the first point 5, then 10, then 15. For negative y-axis -5, -10 and -15. The first ordered pair is 3 and 5. 3 is the value of x and 5 is the value of y. 3 and 5 are intersecting on this point. So mention the ordered pair 3 and 5. Second ordered pair is 6 and 10. 6 is the value of x and 10 is the value of y. 6 and 10 are intersecting on this point. So mention the ordered pair 6 and 10. 9 and 15. Third ordered pair 9 is the value of x and 15 is the value of y. So 9 and 15 are intersecting on this point. Mention the ordered pair. After plotting these points and mentioning the ordered pairs, you have to draw a line that will join these 3 points. So this is the graph of y is equal to 5x over 3. Question number 2. Part is 2x minus y equals to 0. Y is having a negative sign. It will move towards the other side. It will become 2x is equal to y. So it's up to you. You want to write it like 2x equals to y or y is equal to 2x. Both are correct. For that you have to take the values of x so that you can get the value of y. Take random values. X is equal to 1, 2 and 3. For y column, replace the values. First row, the value of x is 1. So y is equal to 2x. So replacing on the place of x 1, 2 into 1 equals to 2. In second row, the value of x is 2, so 2 into 2 equals to 4. In third row, the value of x is 3, so 2 into 3 equals to 6. So the ordered pairs are 1 and 2, 2 and 4, and 3 and 6. Take a graph paper, draw x-axis line, y-axis line, mark origin. Then you have to plot the ordered pairs. So 1 and 2, 2 and 4, 3 and 6 are the ordered pairs. Here in x column you can see the maximum value is 3. So take the points 1, 2 and 3. For negative x-axis -1, -2 and -3. In y column the values are 2, 4 and 6. The maximum number is 6 and these are the multiples of 2 and there is a difference between the numbers and that difference is of 2 numbers. So here 2 is the first point, then 4 and then 6. So here for negative y-axis -2, -4 and -6. Now plot the graph by using these ordered pairs. First ordered pair is 1 and 2. So here 1 is the value of x and 2 is the value of y. 1 and 2 are intersecting on these points. Mention the ordered pair. Then 2 and 4 are intersecting on this point. Mention the ordered pair 2 and 4. 3 and 6 are intersecting on this point. So 3 and 6 you have to mention the ordered pair. After mentioning the ordered pair and plotting the points, you have to join these lines. So this is the graph of y is equal to 2x. Question number 2. 12 part 2x minus y equals to 2. Y is having negative sign, so it will move towards the other side. It will become 2x is equal to y plus 2. 2 is multiplying by x. When it will move towards the other side, the equation will become x is equal to y plus 2 over 2. Now you have to take the value of y so that it can be added into 2, and when it will be added, it will remove the denominator when it is divided by 2. So whenever there is a fraction, you have to take such values so that it can remove the denominators and it will give you single numbers. It will be easy for you people to plot the graph. So for y column, first of all, y equals to 2. Now replacing it in x is equal to y plus 2 over 2. So equation will become 2 plus 2 over 2 equals to 4 over 2 and 4 over 2 equals to 2. So the ordered pair is 2 and 2 because x value is 2 and y value is 2. Second value of y is 4. Replacing it in the equation, it will become 4 plus 2 over 2. That is equal to 6 over 2 and 6 over 2 equals to 3. So the ordered pair is 3 and 4. Third row, y value is 6. Replacing it in the equation, it will become 6 plus 2 over 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 over 2 equals to 4. So the ordered pair is 4 and 6. Now the ordered pairs are 2 and 2, 3 and 4, 4 and 6. Make the graph. Draw mutually perpendicular lines. Then mark the origin. In x column, 2, 3 and 4. There is a difference of one number and maximum number is 4. So first point is 1, 2, 3 and 4. For negative y-axis, -1, -2, -3 and -4. In y column, the values are 2, 4 and 6. Maximum number is 6 and there is a difference of two numbers. These are the multiple of 2. So the first point is 2, 4 and 6. For negative y-axis, -2, -4 and -6. Now we will plot the graph. First point is 2 and 2. 2 and 2 are intersecting on this point. Mention the ordered pair 2 and 2. 3 and 4 are intersecting on this point. Mention the ordered pair 3 and 4. 4 and 6 are intersecting on this point. So mention the ordered pair 4 and 6. And now join these points. So this is the graph of the equation. Question number 2. Question is x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. Minus 3y is a negative number. When it will move towards the other side, it will become positive 3y. So you can write it like 3y is equal to x plus 1. 3 is multiplying by y. It will move towards the other side. It will become y is equal to x plus 1 over 3. So now again fraction is there. You have to take such numbers so that it can remove the denominator. So first of all, we will take random numbers. X is equal to 2. Replace it in the equation. It will become 2 plus 1 over 3. 2 plus 1 over 3 equals to 3 over 3 and it will give you one answer. And the ordered pair is 2 and 1. Next value is 5. Replacing it in the equation, x plus 1 over 3, 5 plus 1 over 3, 6 over 3 equals to 2. Ordered pair will be 5 and 2. Last will be 8. So replacing the equation, 8 plus 1 over 3, 9 over 3 equals to 3. Here you can see that 2, 5, 8 are the numbers that will be added in 1 and it will be divided by 3 and it will give you single number. The denominators are removed. So the ordered pair is 8 and 3. Now for making the graph, the ordered pairs are 2 and 1, 5 and 2, 8 and 3. Make a vertical and horizontal line. Mark the origin. Now in x column, 2, 5 and 8 are the numbers. So here 2, 4, 6, 8 is the point. Then in negative x-axis, the points are -2, -4, -6 and -8. For y-axis, the maximum value is 3. So the points are 1, 2 and 3. And negative y-axis is -1, -2 and -3. So here now plotting the graph 2 and 1. 2 is the value of x and 1 is the value of y. So 2 and 1 are intersecting here. Mention the ordered pair. 5 and 2, 5 lies between 4 and 6. And 2 is the value of y. So 5 and 2 are intersecting on this point because between 4 and 6 there is a 5. Mention the ordered pair 5 and 2. 8 and 3 are intersecting on this point. Mention the ordered pair, and after mentioning the ordered pair, join these 3 points. So this is the graph of the specific equation that is given in your question. So rest of the parts you have to do yourself.